Welcome to the world of car accessories. Buckle up and get ready to customize your ride. Today on Car Accessories, we're diving into the world of car headrest tablet holders. Car headrest tablet holders keep backseat passengers entertained for hours. Car headrest tablet holder is made of imported carbon steel, ensuring absolute stability and no shaking during usage. The width between two metal posts on your headrest should be 4.7 inches or 12 centimeters, and maximum width should be 5.9 inches or 15 centimeters. Fits almost 95% of car models on the market. It can be installed and released with one hand within a second. Both sides of the holder are retractable, allowing for immediate installation. Adjustable to fit a wide range of tablets, phones, and iPads. The diagonal minimum width of your headrest is 4.7 inches or 12 centimeters, and maximum width is 7.9 inches or 20 centimeters. The stretchable arm can be extended up to 8.6 inches or 22 centimeters. The car tablet mounts come with a 360 degrees rotation ball, which can adjust the tablet or whatever you want. This unique structure design makes the car tablet holder is stable enough to grasp the devices firmly, and no shakes and no sliding down when you over speed bumps and potholes. It is great for entertainment on long trips. Keep backseat passengers happy on long journeys. A headrest tablet holder securely mounts a tablet to your car's headrest, providing a hands-free entertainment for kids. Thanks for watching. Have a question about a gadget? Leave a comment below, and I'll make a future video. Stay cool.